So I'm just here on Autodesk Fusion, and I'm looking at, this is a little tiller height block that in the last video you saw it actually cracked. Not sure how, but it had cracked. But when I had a little inspection of it, I could see it was very, very sparsely filled. So it's very honeycomb inside. So it wasn't very strong. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to come into the sketch here. And I'm going to extend this by, let's have a look if we can just do it this way. 1, 2, 2 mil. Let's try one at 2 mil. And then you can see if you just finish the sketch now, it's thicker there. So I'm going to do one at 2 mil. I'm going to 3D print that. So I'm sending that to my printer, and while that's happening, we will we'll do another one at 4 mil, and we'll send that to the printer too. There we go. Now, if you look at these, here's my Ultimaker Cura. This is what we send to the printer. What I'm going to do is just slice that. I've got this now in fine settings and 100% infill. So, oh, we don't want to brim either, no. So that will take 50 minutes to print that, but it should print a much more solid block. Let's get that printed now, that one. And then, there we go. And then the other one is here. Let me just change those settings again there. Zigzag, print speed, yeah, we're looking good. And we'll send that to the printer as well. Hang on, did I just send that? I wasn't watching. Yeah. So we'll send that to the printer as well. There we go. You can see in here it's a little print queue now. So I just whizzed over to the printer to set that off. Look. So hopefully they'll print. We can take this down to the boat tomorrow. I'm just trying to work out why I've made a mirror image. I know it's a mirror image because I've created a little plane here, and then you can create a mirror image of the chock. Slightly odd because these chocks are exactly the same for each one. But there we go. I'm not going to change this one, but I've changed that one. So this gap here will be a little bit wider. It'll be a little bit more accommodating for the anchor. And what I can also do is maybe try and move one side down so we can get a little bit more of an angle maybe on them should we need that. But I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to print that off. The other thing I need to do with these as well is I do need to print these off for slightly better quality as well. I noticed because they were quite thin quality, the back of the chock, let's just get that spun around. The back of the chock here I think was flexing a little bit too much. Might be that we need to make these chocks bigger. Now if we do need to make them bigger and they're bigger than the wood, we will just have to bring the plastic down over the wood and we can screw it into, so they kind of go over the wood like a socket. So it's absolutely fine that if we need to do that, but I think these are going to be fine for now.